emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Holmes County, southwestern Stark County, southeastern Wayne County until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Navarre to Nashville and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Glenmont, Brewster, Navarre, Brewster, Wilmette, Winesburg, Kilbuck, Berlin. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Stark, and Wayne.
The forecast for Northeast